subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hey guys, today's video is all about the tips and hacks of concealing and contouring. Choose a concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. It not only helps in hiding your dark circles but also in highlighting the high points of your face. The key here is to blend it properly. A creme contour seems to be tricky to work with, but in reality it isn't. The hack is to draw a 3 on both sides of your face. Use a brush to apply it on your nose for precise application. Smile while putting some blush on the apples of your cheeks. And by now, you know the drill. It's all about the magic of blending. Take your time and dab it in. Don't drag it in hurry. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for amazing makeup videos. Time to bake the upper jawline to give a perfect chiseled look. Use a brush to dust off the powder. Highlighter changes the whole makeup game. Be sure to apply plenty of that on the high points of your face to achieve a stunning dewy glow. It's always good to set your creme products with powder products. So apply some bronzer over the areas you've applied contour to set it properly and achieve a sun-kissed look. Go in with powder blush on your cheeks and powder highlighter to get the glow on point. In a blink, you can change that soft, subtle makeup into a glam one by applying eyeliner and a bold red lip shade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can give us topic suggestions for the next one in the comments below.